Hi guys, welcome to Jitu Techno channel. In previous class we are discussing up to properties. So now we are discussing about something about properties. Properties are exact differential. Properties are exact differential or exact differential. Then you can say properties are point function or state function. Keep in mind properties are point function or state function. 3 we can write properties are independent of path. Properties are independent of path. Path means properties does not depend on path. Keep in mind properties does not depend on path. Properties are point function or state function. It is exact differential. Now we are studying about state of system. What is this state of system? If we discussing, we can written here state of system means the condition of the system. The condition of a system is known as state. Like this, if we consider that this is the state, this is the state. Here saying the condition of the system, this is the state. The condition of the system means what? Here saying that condition like this, if it is a system, here also it is a system. So condition means which direction it will be gone, in direction. So if we consider it is this system, this state is going to here, so in the like this, so it is going to a process. After that we are discussing like this. So here it is a state like this, P1, here having it is a state P2, like this, here having the state, this is the state having the volume is going to V1, this is the state, the volume is going to T2, like this. So this change of state is called process. But if this is the state, the condition means you can understand that condition. Okay, here also we can write here about the state. It is given means it is the property. Given by means its properties. Here also written, if properties are fixed, if the properties are fixed, then what will happen? The state also fixed. The state is fixed. Here it is, we know that this is also state, this is also state. If this state, in this state, if the pressure is going to constant, if this pressure is going to constant, like this pressure line, so if the properties are fixed, but here we seen that the property is not fixed. In this, if we seen that the state, in this state the property is not fixed. After that we seen that the state is going to here. After we seen that the change of state is called process. this change of state, here also state, here also state, right? So here saying that the condition of the system is known as state. Okay, now we are discussing about process. What is this process? Process means the change of state. Change of state is called process. We can understand that here the change of state, here also one state, here also one state. Here this P1 to P2 mean pressure is going to decreasing as well as volume is going to increasing. From this diagram we can say it is the PV diagram. We can write in just for easily understand. We are discuss about the system, about state of system and process state. The condition of the system is known as state. And also here saying that if the properties are fixed, the state is fixed. Means properties, if the properties are fixed, means in this state, if the property means here pressure is going to decreasing. Here we seen that if the properties are fixed, means pressure is going to constant. So what will happen? The state will be constant, means like this, that the if here we can plot like this. In this we know that the pressure, constant pressure line like this, is volume is going to constant like this. Clear? In y axis we are written, in x axis you are written pressure. Clear? So it's about pressure and process. Now we are coming the most important concept, we can say it is the reversible and irreversible. Reversible and irreversible. Reversible process. Now we are discussing reversible process. So having condition, we have to always keep in mind, in two conditions are satisfied, then we can say it is the reverse. So what is this? One is going to follow the same path. Keep in mind, I am written here a process said to be reversible. When we can say a process is reversible, we are written here if when reversed in direction follows the same path without having any effect on the system and surrounding. Keep in mind, where saying that going to a process, through example I'm just discussing about this, but you just simply think that reverse in direction means a process is going down in reverse direction. Followed the same path, means which direction firstly which direction going in reverse direction also return same path and without having any changes of the system and surrounding. In example we are discussing like this process. We know that the change of state is called process, means here having one state, here having one state, like this. So this is the process. Clear? Change of state is called process. So in definition we are seeing that reversed in direction means if we denoted 1 2. So when the process is done, means first of all is going to like this from 1 to 2 in direction 1 to 2 when the state is going to from 1 to 2. Okay, done. After that in reverse direction, reverse means you denoted that from 2 to 1, 2 to 1 reverse direction. What will happen? Two condition, same path followed, same path, same path, same path. Okay, same path 2 to 1. Okay, a condition satisfied. In another condition is going to what? No changes of the system parameter, no change of the system parameter, system parameter. What is this system parameter? Means don't have any changes of system and surrounding and system, between system and surrounding during this reverse direction, means 2 to 1 direction don't have any changes. Means you think that in from 1 to 2 if you are going, they are having whatever amount of you energy loss, as well as from 2 to 1 direction you are going. So in this direction you are gain, means you got from, you are also got, means which energy you are going to loses or losses. In reverse direction you are going to gain, means overall changes don't have any changes. That's why we can say it is the reversible process. Now we are discussing about irreversible process. So what is this? The definition is going to, if change of any parameter of reversible, the process will be irreversible. The process will be irreversible. So what will happen here? Here saying that if change of any parameter, what is this parameter? Here saying that in reversible we are seeing that reversed in direction followed same path, don't have any changes of the system parameter. Means between system, like this is the system, because 2 to 1 is going to system, and this is the outside of the system, is called surrounding. Between system and surrounding don't have any changes, that's called reversible. But irreversible saying that if any one changes of the reversible, that called irreversible. But all ideal process, all real life process is going to irreversible, because friction always present. That's why we can say all processes are irreversible. Like this, if we take an example, in an inclined manner, it is a fixed surface. If we going to moving, if we moving on box like this, from this is the initial box and this is the final. If we taken like this final F. So during moving this block from initial to final, so what will happen? Maybe you discuss that if the object is going to or moving in direction, so from I to F, what will happen? Maybe due to friction it will be losses energy. So whatever amount losses, means energy losses is going to maybe 10 kilojoule or 10 joule, whatever written here, just losses energy due to friction. So due to this energy is going to losses, means from system to, this is the system to surrounding, energy is going to losses. And also if we reverse the direction, means final to initial, so what will happen? If we moving this block in F2I, during F2I, so what will happen during F2I? If we moving this block, also energy also given to the surrounding, it not gotten, so it also losses again energy, whatever amount, same energy here also losses. So like this if we return, so it is irreversible process, because in reverse direction having changes between system and surrounding, between the parameter, system parameter, that's how we can say all process is going to, all practical life problem is going to irreversible process, because friction having always present. I think it's clear. Now we are discussing about the thermodynamic cycle. So we have to keep in mind, before thermodynamic cycle we just little bit saying about quasi static process, it is also most important. Quasi static so quasi static process means what? From this name we can say quasi means almost, static means stuck, or rest, you can say almost rest. This process is going to almost rest, means process is done but having little bit very slow manner, like this, very slow manner. Process means we know that the change of state means here having one state, here having another state, the change of state called process. Here saying that almost rest, static means rest, means very slow manner, like this, very slow manner. That's how we can say it is the almost rest. A process which is carried out, the process which is carried out in very small or slow manner, you can say very slow manner, with small difference, is known as quasi-static process. Keep in mind, what is quasi-static process? Process is done but very slow manner with small difference. You just think that small difference. That's how we written here quasi-static, almost rest or state. So now we are discussing about the thermodynamic cycle. Thermodynamic cycle. We know that cycle means final and initial point are same, means like this. We know that the change of state, this is called process, means 1 to 2 also having from 2 to 1. That's called, the process is going to 1 to 2, also 2 to 1. The final and initial point are same. That's called cycle. We are written here, a system is said to be, system is said to be under a thermodynamic cycle, if the initial and final point are same. Keep in mind, for a thermodynamic cycle, having two processes are required from 1 to 2 and 2. Keep in mind, two processes are required, at least 2 processes are required. Required for thermodynamic cycle. At least 2 processes are required for thermodynamic cycle. Keep in mind, minimum number of processes are required, at least 2. Keep in mind. So thank you all guys. If you have any doubt, so please comment.